What are you guys doing here? You're just gonna enter my bathroom just like that? Jeez, buy me a drink first or something. Well, anyway, I'm glad you came into my jeez, weird sentence. Because my other keyboards haven't been cutting it lately. So why don't you wait for me outside while I finish touching up my beard?
It's not my business.
Yeah, I like my keyboards, but by now there was already supposed to be a replacement for my daily driver. And since that doesn't seem like it's happening anytime soon, I think it's time we add another one to the collection. So, ladies and gentlemen, I got a slab of wood. And guess what we're gonna be doing with this piece of wood? We're going to be making it into a completely custom gasket-mounted keyboard with the help of this polycarbonate plate that I extracted from the Rebel 60 in this video. Now, I don't exactly have the correct power tools for this job, so I gotta get in touch with someone who does. Hello? Yes. So, yeah, can you make that slab of wood into a keyboard for me? No? Okay, thank you. Hello, could you help me make a slab of wood into a keyboard? No? Alright, okay, thank you. Yeah, so I'm trying to make a slab of wood into a keyboard, and I'd like if you could help me. No? Okay. I will give you the slab of wood, and you make it into a keyboard. Can you help me? So, that's
Please.
a no? Alright. That's a no?
Got it.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Could you help me turn that slab of wood I showed you into a keyboard? No? Come on,
slab,
man. It's
please.
just a
Slab of wood.
Please. Okay. Damn. Wait, yes? Holy really? Okay, yeah. I can do it right now. Let's go. Oh, yeah, the cuts weren't accurate and the entire plate fits in the case, so let's fix that real quick. Okay, so I made the frame for the gaskets to rest on, and that reminds me, you guys know why this keyboard is called the Window 65, right? I should not have done that. I should not have done that one. Let's keep going. Let's just keep going. Let's see what happens. Let's just keep going. Alright, we're done with the case for now. I'll just quickly sand it and then we can finally be done with this god-awful keyboard. So I sanded the board up to 120 grit and finished it with, weirdly enough, olive oil, which actually came out looking not that bad. I let the board rest overnight and now it's finally time to add the window. Next, I stuck the acrylic on with some super glue, and with that, the case is complete. Oh, and yeah, I know the window looks a bit jagged right now, but I have a solution for that and you'll see it in a sec. And with that, the build is done. I'm so tired of this board. Let's just throw some switches in here and see how it sounds.
I don't like that. Yeah, that's much better. Okay.
Oh, you remember how I said I had a solution for the edges? Alright, I finally finished this god-awful keyboard, and now comes my favorite part of the build.